Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shri Mahavir International School. So students, acid, base and salt, this was chapter, okay? And in this chapter, we had discussed the difference between acid and the base, and we were discussing about the base and their sources. So today, let's see the neutral substances. What are the neutral substances? Simply students, the substances that are neither acidic nor basic are called what? Neutral. And like the distilled water, sugar, urea, glucose are called the neutral substances. Now here students, some questions in which you have to circle the correct option given in bold to make the meaningful sentence. Students, for example, in this sentence you have to circle right. Okay, for example, if we circle the acid, then now read the sentence: acids are sour in taste. So this is right. We have to circle the acid. Organic or mineral acids are found in plants and animal and their product. So in this you will circle the organic. And amla is a neutral source of what? What? Citric or ascorbic. So therefore, one by one, you have to complete all these questions. Okay. First, read the chapter carefully, whatever I have taught you. Then try to find the correct answer. Now, students, indicator. Simply, students, indicator will indicate that whether any substance is base or basic and acidic. So it is not safe to taste the things without knowing that they are. Then how do we know whether a substance is acidic or the basic in nature? So simply students, it is not possible to taste each and every type of substance with your tongues because it can harm your tongue also. So for this, what kind of things we can use to indicate that whether that substance is acidic or basic? So indicators are that things are the substance that are used to test the acidic and basic nature of the substances, as they show a change in color on coming in contact with the some substances. So first one, some indicators that are prepared from flowers like the china rose, and the root beetroots, stem like the turmeric haldi, and the leaves like the red cabbage of plants are what? Neutral indicators, natural indicators. And these indicators can be prepared from the colored part of the plant by boiling. These indicators can be prepared from the colored parts of the plant by boiling them in water for time and straining them. The solution obtained will also be colored. Second thing, there are some indicators which can be prepared in a laboratory by using dyeing and some other chemical compounds. These are called what? Synthetic and the man-made indicators. So what does called synthetic? Some indicators which we can be prepared in a laboratory by using the dye and some other chemical compound. So here students, a picture of lichens from which litmus is what? Excreted. Litmus paper, if you have heard, that is also an indicator. Let us uh, let's study about the some indicators in detail. First we discuss about the litmus. Litmus is the most common indicator used in a laboratory. It is excreted from the lichens and is available in the form of strips of paper called the litmus paper, or in a solution from called the litmus solution. Litmus paper is either red or blue in color. Blue litmus paper turns red in an acidic medium and shows no color change in basic medium, and red litmus paper turns blue in a basic medium and shows no color change in acidic medium. So students, the litmus paper either red or blue, okay, it will come in red and blue, and it turns red in acidic medium and blue in what? Basic medium. So remember this thing. Here a picture by which you can understand this solution is basic in nature, that's why it indicating blue color in litmus paper, and that blue litmus paper convert into the red color. It's mean you are dipping that litmus paper into acidic solution. Now students, there is an activity number 2, to check the acidic or the basic nature of the different solution using red and blue litmus paper. So take the solutions given below in the test tubes, dip a strip of red litmus and blue litmus paper in each of the test tube. Note down your observation in the following table. So students, lemon juice, if we talk about the solution lemon juice, that effect on red litmus paper remain same, okay, effect on red litmus paper of lemon juice, because lemon juice contain acid, and if you will come a red litmus paper in with that lemon juice, that it will remain same color in red because acid represent red color, and if you dip a blue litmus paper, then it will turn what? In red, and the nature of that substance and solution is what? That is acidic. So students, one by one you have to check the solution. First of all, that lime water, then tap water, detergent solution, okay, aerated drink, then vinegar, that is called sirka in Hindi, salt solution, sugar solution, and the baking soda solution. As much as possible students, you have to find out with the help of different types of litmus paper and their nature. Now students, turmeric, we are talking about natural indicators. So first natural indicator, that is turmeric. Turmeric or haldi is used as an ingredients in the different dishes. It is a yellow colored and powder. It is used as an indicator in the form of turmeric paper, and turmeric paper can be made by mixing turmeric powder, okay, and in a little amount of water to make a paste, and this paste should be applied on blotting or filter paper and lets to dry. Strips of this paper can be used to check the acidic or basic nature of a solution. Now the fact file: turmeric has many benefits. It detoxify the liver, okay. Turmeric, we are discussing the benefit whenever you are taking the turmeric, and maintain a it detoxifies the liver and maintain a balance in cholesterol and boosts our immune system, okay. You will not suffer from any normal disease, okay, like the fever, cold, common cold, if you take turmeric in your diet. And you can make some indicator also by using that turmeric powder. You will apply that turmeric powder by making a paste of the turmeric powder on a strip of paper. So let it dry. Then what will happen? You will find out that whether that substance is acid or basic. In a basic medium, the turmeric paper turns reddish brown, okay. In basic medium, reddish brown, turmeric paper will turn reddish brown in basic medium, and in acidic medium and in an acidic or neutral medium, there is no change in its color, Okay, so basic medium, in basic medium reddish brown, and in acidic and in neutral there is no change in color. So, and it remains yellow. You must have experienced that when a yellow stain of food on your white shirt is dipped in soap solution, it turns reddish brown. It turns reddish brown, and it is because soap solution is basic in nature. Now the shirt with stain of turmeric, you can practically check it out at your home also. Now students, China rose, that is red hibiscus. Okay, China rose, hibiscus, Gudhal plant in Hindi we can say. So China rose indicator is prepared by boiling some petals. Okay, petals means, for example, I'm drawing a picture of a flower. Okay, so these are called what? Petals. These are called petals. So the contents are filtered and a light pink colored solution is obtained, and this solution is used as an indicator. Again, in an acidic solution, China rose indicator changes to dark pink or magenta color. So China rose, that is indicator. If you are using as an indicator China rose, that in acidic medium, okay, in acidic medium and acidic solution, that rose will change to dark pink or the magenta. Dark pink and magenta in acidic, and in basic solution the China rose indicator turns green in color. And in basic the China rose will turn green color, and in acidic it will turn in dark pink and magenta color. And in neutral solution China rose indicator show no effect. Okay, there will be no effect in what? Neutral solution. And neutral solution is what? Neither acidic and neither basic. Now students, activity number 3rd, to test whether the given solution are acidic, basic or neutral using the turmeric China rose indicators. So one by one you will take the strip of turmeric paper and China rose indicator prepared by boiling its petals in the water and then filtering the contents to test the whether the solution is given below are acidic or base. So students, for this you will have to collect these substances. You will make some soap solution, aerated drinks are drinks that contain the carbon dioxide gas, that Pepsi, Coca-Cola, whatever, and the lemon juice. Okay, simply you can understand vinegar solution, soda water, sugar solution, and the salt solution. You have to dip the one by one that turmeric paper, then China rose, and here by the result you can easily say that substance whether that acid or basis. For example, as I told you that turmeric, okay, show the brown color in basic and no color change in uh, acidic or neutral. And what about that China rose indicator? It will turn in what? Dark pink color. Okay, dark pink color and in magenta color if you contact with the acidic medium, and in base it will turn in green color and no change in neutral. So students, you will have to do at home. Then the phenolphthalein. What is the phenolphthalein students? Phenolphthalein is a colorless solution which is prepared in the laboratory by dissolving the phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. Phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. In basic solution, that colorless phenolphthalein changes into deep pink. Okay, so in basic solution it will turn deep pink color, and in acidic or the neutral phenolphthalein solution remains colorless. So don't forget. Now the pH scale. What is the pH scale, students? To know the strength of an acidic or base, scientists have given a scale changing from 1 to 14, and this scale is known as pH scale. A pH paper can be used to check the acidic or basic strength of a solution. The pH paper is dipped in an acidic acid and base, and the color obtained can be matched with the chart given below. So here a phenolphthalein used as an indicator. So this is the pH scale, and in this pH scale, students, you see it will show this side of that test this strip will show the acidic medium, and it will show the basic medium. Okay, dark red color will show the higher acidic medium, and that dark blue color will show the highly basic medium, and slowly it will come, okay, and down, and that 6 7 8, okay, at the 7 that substance is neutral, increasing acidic characters, and here is increasing the basic characters. Now the a universal indicator can also be used to check the acidic or basic strength of a solution, and a universal indicator is a mixture of indicators that gives different colors or different pH values. Okay, students.